Write a C++ language to control DC motor by using push button. So this is my 4 topic in my homework. And the first one is text deceleration, design and improvement of DC motor sense controller system using Arduino UNO with push button interface for induced garden model controller. Physical text interface DC motor with Arduino using Auto Driver. Implement of the button control system, state stored and direction. Developer PWM sleep controller with these fully features. Create comprehensive system indication system. Implement several communication for monitoring and control. So the hardware system, one is Arduino IDE 2.0 integrated improvement environment, C3 motor for deploying vehicle in libraries and expense to programming language C++ with Arduino intentions. Objective of is programming operate interrupt successfully returns 3 key library used. System Arduino in libraries only. Custom classes for matter and button management. No instant library request. The software used interest from button padding, PWM basic speed control, system command interface, sleep test, and decrease real-time state monitor. So the test decryption, the development environment stay from Arduino IDE programming language 3++ Arduino framework. Key library being in no interdisciplinary request. Software requirement main controller loop continuous monitor of button system motor driver logging 8 step request generation input programming debugging and interdetection of the next state measurement the recreation speed and rounding system traffic. So this is complete well systems. So you can see the button 1 to the stand stop button and 3 is button 2 for green LED, 5 yellow LED and red LED. Push this pin to the sensor. So you can see the one metal differential connection. Put this in the Arduino IDE and 2 button configuration hardware deployment 0.1 compactor operation. Software declaration 5ms display organized interact configuration for immediate response. 3 safety iterations, state program procedure for looping and motor processed hard seeking for L298N correct limit resistor for LEDs, sensible protection for metal filter, and the DC meter controller class put this in the this code this studio IDE and controller on implement state. So this is my work. Let me show you. And this data is in the Arduino. You can see output the you can see under the turn left. The button can have this. So the conclusion. Step have the objective outcome, key limitation, future improvement of well outcome. So the object control DC motor with a push button use C++. Outcome C++ could successfully read a button, a push button input and controller DC motor with a PWM, and the key lines button deploying is C++ design inputs could reliably limitation no matter protection limited basic controller functions, future improvement and meter protection expand to advanced controller. Overall outcome, basic push button DC motor control achieved was concluded for future development. Thank you for your listening. I'm finished this homework.